In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix content not available on Facebook. So I've already got my browser open here, and the first thing I'm doing is making sure I'm in the browser where Facebook is being used. From here, I look toward the top right corner and find the three dot icon, and I go ahead and click on that to open the browser menu. Once that menu drops down, I'm scanning through the options and clicking on settings. That takes me into the browser's settings area where I can manage different preferences and data. After that loads, I look along the left side or within the settings categories and click on privacy and security, since that's where the data and browsing controls are located. Now that I'm inside privacy and security, I scroll until I find the option to delete browsing data. I click on delete browsing data, and a new panel or window pops up with different options for clearing stored information. At this point, I'm focusing on the data types listed, and I make sure to select cookies and other site data. This is important because stored cookies can sometimes interfere with how Facebook loads content, which may be causing the content not available issue. Once that option is selected, I move down and click on delete data. The browser may take a moment to process this, and that's completely normal. I wait for the deletion to finish, and once it's done, the stored cookies and related site data have been cleared from the browser. After that, I go back to Facebook by switching tabs or reopening the site. Now I return to the page where the issue was happening, and I refresh the page to reload the content. You can usually do this by clicking the refresh button in the browser or using the reload option. At this point, Facebook should load the content again without the previous error. Clearing the cookies and refreshing helps reset the connection between your browser and Facebook servers, which often resolves issues where content was showing as unavailable, and that's really all there is to it. Once the page reloads, the content should appear properly, and the issue should be fixed after clearing the browsing data and refreshing the site.